What up, guys? Fat Boy RC's here, man. What is going on, man? Hey, I'm at a buddy's house, man. You see his Mustang over there. But anyways, man, we in here. We're gonna get this paint done. Color correction is what it's called, man. And I don't know if you can see, but anyways, he's gonna make this so there's no scratches in it. I don't know if you can see. You see those scratches right there? They're gonna get all that out, man. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's a spot right here where firework got. We can get that out too, but anyhow, we're gonna fix this thing up. It'll be brand new again. So, hell yeah. The whole car gonna get done. So, hopefully you can get like that scratch out right there. You know, all these, man. I don't know if you can see them, but they're there. All that's coming out today. But anyways, man, I want to show you. That's the before, and I'll do a afterwards. So, all right.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's...
Alright, guys, so I'm here in Chad's garage, and I'm gonna let Chad explain to you guys what he's gonna do to this car. So I'll hand it over to Chad.
So this car had some light to moderate scratches on the clear coat. So what I'm going to do today is, well, first off, we washed it, we clay barred it. I want to get all the contaminants off the paint. And now, like I said, I'm gonna be going through with a compound, and it's gonna take off, you know, moderate scratches that he, you know, accumulated over the years and whatnot. It's just a process to get all the dang scratches out to make it look drippy. So this is, you know, like stage one, so we're gonna go at it.
thing at, I don't know, like 7. I'm gonna show you real quick. And that's not even with any wax or polish on it. So, I mean, you gotta be the judge, man. All we're doing is using a compound to get the scratches out. So, boy, she looking good, looking good. So far, so good. I mean, over halfway, or at least halfway. But look at that shine. Man. Like showroom quality type of stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna let them know. Chad, what do you think?
What do I think?
What do you think? Come on, man.
I think she's looking drippy right now. Woo!
Hell yeah.
She's getting there. She's getting there.
Man, almost 7 o'clock in the morning. And we're just doing the polish now, man. Polish. Woo! That drip, baby. Hell yeah. Well, I can't really. I mean, my shadow's fucking killing this video right now. It'll show up better on video, I guarantee it, but what you think, Chad?
I think she came out pretty good. Like I said, breaking necks.
Hell yeah. Damn.
Especially that dang hood.
Yeah, we're gonna get up to that hood.
It's right here, man. Man, it's good.
silk. Yeah. Shit, bro. That's all him right there, man. Hell yeah. Mr. Chad, bro.
Hit me up if you need some detailing.
Hell yeah. Hit this guy up, man, for real. This dude does A1 plus. You know, some people say 100%, but it's like 1,000%. Hell yeah. Good work, man. That's what's up.